What do you want?
I made a mistake.
I'm in the house.
I have made many mistakes.
Do you know where I am?
I had to sneeze.
I could be anywhere. I'm like the wind, baby. Yeah. Where am I?
You're behind the couch.
What? How do you know that?
I can, see your feet.
Ah. Okay, turn around.
Happy Halloween.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on. I heard her when she slammed the door. I didn't bat an eye. I tried to be so strong, yes I did. I didn't even cry.
The day he left me was the day that I died. And I was reborn as a witch.
No, Mr. Killer, I don't know where you are.
I'll give you a big clue. Oh, I gotta stop drinking.
Sneeze. Sneeze. Grandma! Ah, baby! Oh, oh, oh! My hair! Sneeze. 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 Sneeze.
Hold on. It's coming. I had a dream. I had a dream we were grandma. I had a dream we were grandma. I had a dream that we were at grandma's and we were sitting.
Sneeze.
I can't sneeze. I've seen the book
Nothing. Okay, blowing. Still nothing to irritate it.
Here's why holding in a sneeze can actually kill you. People tend to hold in sneezes to avoid being disruptive, but the effect of holding in a sneeze may be more than you bargained for. Dr. Werner said there are cases of people rupturing their throats after holding in a sneeze.
Oops, got your coping skills. Now let's see what we got.
The force is enough to break through your windpipe and push the air through the soft tissue in your neck. In these cases, it may be necessary to stay at a hospital for a week to let it heal completely. While this is a rare event, it does still happen. Luckily, it's avoidable if you just let the sneeze out. Now comment whether you've ever held in a sneeze.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Niche Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Ay, Palomo, sad kayo ko. I don't know. I feel like happy na ko. Yes, moro dito.
I said no one has to know what we do.